This experiment is about the density of hot air and cold air. When air is heated by some means, its density decreases and then it lifts up. That is how, if you have some kind of smoke or some kind of fire, that always goes up in the upward direction because of this density difference. So to show that experimentally, we have an arrangement. Let me show you how that smoke goes. So I have this smoke here, and you can see that it is going in upward direction steadily. It's going up. It goes up because the surrounding air or gases are heated because of that fire out there, and when this is heated and its density goes down, it goes in the upward direction, goes up, and this whole thing you can see that is going in the upward direction. Now what happens if the other things are in contact with this going air? We will show it here. Two cylinders you can see, and I put the thing here and here, and look at the difference. Look how the smoke is going up now. It's going up with much larger velocity. Here it goes up with a small steady velocity, coolly, calmly, but once you bring it here on this cylinder, then all of a sudden it becomes quite random and fast. So everything is going very fast in upward direction, but remove it slightly from the cylinder and once again it is all very steady. But here when we bring, as if some terrorist attack has taken place and it is flying away with fastest velocity, and here it is very steady. And now if I bring it to the other cylinder, see what happens. Here it goes down against its normal behavior. Generally smoke goes up, that we had seen, but here near the cylinder the smoke is going inside, it's going down in the downward direction. So what happens? And once again if I lift it, it goes up, and I bring it here, it goes down. So what is happening in this particular cylinder? Why it is going down? Other cylinder, you remember, it was going up with much larger velocity in this cylinder, and here it is going down with once again it's quite fast. So the smoke can go down, smoke can go up, both ways, but that is because we have done something special in these two cylinders. These two cylinders are driving the smoke in two different ways. So let me now show you what is there in this cylinder. So first, or in this box, first these are the two cylinders where smoke goes one way or the other, and this box itself contains a candle inside. We have put this transparent sheet here so that you can see what is inside. This particular sheet is given just to see what is there inside, and apart from this sheet and this candle that we have put inside, we have these two cylinders. And how did we make these two cylinders? These two cylinders are made from a transparency sheet. Just fold it in this fashion and it becomes cylinder. So the air inside is heated, and that hot air comes out from this cylinder. This hot air here, density is low, so it comes out from the cylinder on left, seeing from this side, and then to compensate that, air from outside goes from the other cylinder, and that goes in. So air is going into here, and then inside it goes, it gets heated, and that hot air comes from this cylinder, upper cylinder. So these currents, air currents, we call it convection currents, are set up, where air goes from one side, gets heated, and comes out from the other side. Okay, so look at the cylinders. These are just those transparent sheets on which we write with marker pens, two of them similar, identical. And then this box is any carton box or any box, usual cardboard box we have taken. You can see that cardboard box, normally used for packing materials, and we had closed this door with a tape, and you can open this door and you can put certain things inside or take out certain things. So this candle we had put there, candle is on a plate that we had put there to heat the air. And then in this box, what else is there? Okay, from all sides you can see the box. You can see these two holes. These two holes are made to fix up those two cylinders. Okay, so what did we learn from this experiment? The air which gets heated becomes less dense and goes up, and then convection currents are set up, and smoke or anything that is there in that current